I am glad to inform you that you've come to the right place if you're looking for the best tonneau cover for Rambox. The following article features a number of different tonneau covers. There's a tri-fold mechanism on most of them. The newest quad folding mechanism is used in some. It's not easy to find the best one for you. Nevertheless, you'll find a tonneau cover that fits your Rambox perfectly if you continue reading this article. In today's video, I'll talk about the 5 best tonneau cover for Ram 1500 with Rambox on the market available right now. I have added all the links in the description box below. Check them out and please consider to subscribe our channel. So, without further ado, let's get started. When you decide to travel with your family, your tonneau cover with Rambox should look nice. In order to solve this problem, I decided to search for the best tonneau cover for Rambox 2500, and I came across this beautiful cover during my research. Whenever you start looking for a tonneau cover for your Rambox, keep in mind that it must fit your vehicle's model. First and foremost, that's what we need to do. Your Rambox, whether 1500, 2500, or 3500, will be able to fit this unit if you choose it. Upon receiving this tonneau cover, I immediately noted that it came with a lifetime no-hassle warranty as soon as it arrived at my doorstep. Tonneau covers are usually only protected for a period of 10 years. Your car might not last as long as this model. This tonneau cover was installed without any problems in terms of the installation of it on the truck. I have noticed, however, that once I began mounting it on the Rambox, it does not extend all the way to the corners of the box as it should. Amongst extang's latest creations, the Trifecta 2.0 bed cover stands out. This fabric is made of genuine leather, which is grained and reinforced with an aircraft-grade metal frame. In addition, the fabric incorporates all corner systems, which improve the tension of the fabric. In addition, the leather fabric's crossbars play an important role in protecting the tonneau from damage caused by weathering, such as sagging caused by snow or rain. Furthermore, the extang Trifecta tonneau cover features a simple and straightforward installation system that makes attachment very easy. Just slide the lightweight cover under your truck's bed and then attach it. You won't need any brackets or tools to attach it. If that doesn't give you an idea of how easy it is to put it on, we'll also tell you that you won't have to put in any extra work or wear yourself out during the entire process of putting it on. Choosing the best 6.4 Rambox tonneau cover isn't an easy task. In case you still need help with that goal, here's what I can suggest. I recently ordered this Rambox hard tonneau cover, and upon receiving it, was more than pleased with its look and design. It's made with aluminum slats and industrial-grade vinyl, which is exactly what I was looking for when purchasing this unit. I immediately realized this tonneau cover would exceed my expectations once it was mounted on my vehicle. Most tonneau covers these days require a drill and some additional screws to be tightened. The model I purchased did not force me to do so. It maintained its position perfectly well on the truck bed when I turned on my vehicle after mounting it. I was pleased with how well the cover maintained its balance when I started up the vehicle. I drove as fast as 80 mph and this tonneau cover never moved. My only complaint about this unit is that several spots on the tonneau cover leak. This tonneau cover for Ram 1500 with Rambox will solve all of your problems if your job requires you to be on your feet all the time and move objects throughout the city. Those of us who need to transport objects need a cover that will be sturdy and reliable to keep our cargo protected at all times, to ensure that your cargo stays in place and that nothing goes wrong with it. This aluminum tonneau cover is made from aluminum. Upon mounting this tonneau cover for the first time, I noticed that it took me less than an hour to complete the process. For those who have to stay on their feet all day long, having a fast opening and fast closing tonneau cover is another requirement. There will be no disappointments when it comes to the quality of this tonneau cover. This unit easily opens and closes depending on your needs. The only problem with this unit is that some clamps loosen after a while, so you have to put it back in place every once in a while. The best tonneau cover on this list for Rambox is probably this one. Although there are a lot of different tonneau covers available on the market, and they are all mainly capable of doing the same job as what this tonneau cover can do, There isn't one that can do it as flawlessly as this one. From the moment I ordered this tonneau cover, I knew that I would have a reliable tool that would keep my stuff safe at all times, regardless of the weather. I was very hopeful that by the time it arrived, I would be able to completely assemble this unit in less than an hour. So I rushed into my garage. In general, I was surprised at how quickly I was able to accomplish the task in less than 45 minutes. That's mind-blowing when you think about it. The mounting of this unit does not require the use of a drill to tighten the tonneau cover on the truck bed of the Rambox. Most guys like to keep their trucks as fresh as possible. Drilling holes isn't the best way to do it. After installing, I immediately tested out how it fares in lousy weather. In addition, there were no issues with that, as well as repelling snow. This unit also repels rain. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.